How to find Facebook username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find your Facebook username, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to find out your username on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook app, then just come to the profile page. This is our display name, but what is our Facebook username? Well, our Facebook username is also very simple to find. To find it, you just need to tap the three dots icon on the right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three dots option, right over here you can see your profile link, and here this is our profile link. Our username is the something that comes out of facebook.com/ and the rest letters over here, which is bimalbusnet22, is actually my username. So you can see first of all we have facebook.com, then we have slash, then we have our username. After this slash, from this to this is basically our Facebook username, because if you copy this link and send it to someone else and then they just paste it on the URL browser, they will be taken to your profile page, and this way you can find out your Facebook username. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.